30th, we're doing a little fall. I feel like it's a good transition, and yeah, so if you guys aren't aware, I am a part of the Plan With Me design group, and you can click a link down below in the description box, just down there, and it'll take you to a place where you can find all the links to all of our wonderful friends in the Plan With Me design group. But today I do have a plan with me for you, and it is going to be using this kit that I picked up from the CheerfulPlannerGirl, and this is the ECLP Classic Vertical. Okay, so these are the 2 pages. This is called, what was this? Fall Tribal, I think. This is the Happy Planner add-on, which I thought I just ordered the classic ECLP, but you know, here are a bunch of numbers for the dates. I guess these would be like if you just wanted to change. I don't know how this is gonna work. I also got a little freebie with the kit with the deco. Then I got these really adorable die cuts that I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but I thought they were pretty cute, so that's pretty cool. So that was a freebie as well. So as you can see, we have some decorative half boxes, only 7 full boxes, some larger deco pieces, the bottom washi, and then like 1 set of glitter headers, and then 1 set of these like very patterned headers with the little feathers. And then this is another set, and thankfully the Happy Planner and the Erin Condren have the same width size on the boxes, so I can use the glitter headers. So I'm gonna have to pull in a lot of extras this week and kind of make it work, because this is a very small kit. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I am going to fast forward and play some hopefully relaxing music for you guys while I put down stickers and decorate my planner and plan. So thank you so much for joining me, and if you do enjoy the video, please hit that thumbs up button. I really do appreciate it, and it does help me out. And if you're not subscribed, please just click the subscribe button. It's free. Everybody says that. It's free. It doesn't really, I mean, it helps me to grow my channel, but you know, yeah, YouTube is a weird world these days. So I'm so happy to have all of you back this week, and let's jump into the video. So here we go. I've done a few too many of these smash it together spreads, but saving money. I just really wanted to show you, I forgot to show you before, but this is how last week turned out using the Glimmer Kit from Sarah Elizabeth Prince. It's so beautiful. It was a special occasion and I used it because it's everything that the person that I was celebrating loves. So this is just a look back at last week. But for this week, went way more traditional. Let me show you what I have left of the sheets that I bought. So I used the, almost the entire freebie. There's the Happy Planner add-on sheet, the ECLP sheet, and then this was the big sheet with all the boxes and stuff, and that's gone. Oh, something else. Her little icon is a sticker. If you guys, each one of them are stickers. Every single one is a little sticker. So you can use those for various things. So I'm just going to keep these 2 sheets in the back of my planner. Back here. Oh, take this one out. This is all I had left last week. So I think that was a pretty good rounded mini kit. So I'm just going to put these back here if they will fit. I don't know if this one's gonna fit, and it's gonna make me cry. Okay, I'm gonna have to trim this off. But either way, right? Either way, yeah, I like how it came out. I wish I would have had more of this periwinkle color in some of my like functional stickers that I have hanging around, but I did not. So I pulled out some old leftovers from last fall. I dipped into this New Year kit from Temp Loves Crafts. Then we have some Megan Renee plans, some Paige plans, lots of Brandon Nicole designs. I haven't bought from her in a while. I should probably go do that. I do love her stickers. So these are just where I pulled a lot of things from. There's stuff from freebies and all that good jazz stuff. So I think this is a good transition going into October. I got some orange and browns with like purples, so it makes me happy. So like the quote says, live more and worry less. I need to do that. Hopefully that quote will stick this week. I have a lot going on. There's company dinner, there's people coming into town, there's just all kinds of things happening. So on that note, I will talk to you guys again very, very soon. Don't forget to check out the Plan With Me design group, and I hope you have a fabulous week. I'll catch up with you guys on Thursday on Instagram. Much love to all of you, and bye for now.